sorrow.
Kinalabit na ako ni Jessie, sabi, nagkamali lang po siya ng daanan. Napunta siya sa may golf course na napakaliwanag. Kung nagkonsulta lang siya sa political advisor,
with the citizens and citizens from all walks of life.
Pare, ito ang tamang pambaha footwear. Karamihan sa mga kababayan nating nababaha, nakatsinelas. Sabi ko doon, emergency landing. Lahat ng 5 helicopters landed within less than 5 minutes, I think. Paglapag na paglapag po namin, hindi ko po pinapatamaan si Sec Cesar Purisima. Pero the minute po maghubad ng sapatos si Secretary Cesar, no frills, no kaartehan, something as
I've had a few, but then again,
I did it my way.
oh, what is a man? What has he got? Many has none to say the thing.
Jesse, not the very serious.
Ang mga susunod niyang schedule, ngunit sa totoo lang po, kaya lang natin.
pare, pag tayo namatay, at hindi ganito ang reaksyon ng taong bayan.
whole country have marveled at you, Attorney Len. When you were holding your press conference in Naga,